good, YouTube? So we're gonna be installing the F1 brake light right here on the back of the STI. Can you go grab the white box on the desk upstairs? The white box with the light on the desk upstairs. Yeah, so we're gonna be installing the brake light on the back of the STI here. I've already opened the back trunk and started taking out the clips that I need to take out. I took out one clip here, another clip here, and one clip right here. And then I also took out these three clips. These three clips that are right here. 1, 2, and then 3. Where's the tool that I used? Here it is. This is the tool that I used right here. I bought this off of Amazon. Came with a set of 3. I used this one as well. I helped pry some of them out. Super easy with these. After I got these 3 things out, just sort of like lift it up right here, and then it popped out, and then I was able to pop the rest out. So now I have to go underneath the car and see what's under there to get up into right here and get back here. All right, so I'm underneath the car here. It's on the flat ground. I don't have it jacked up. Jacking it up might be a little easier, but I don't feel like doing all of that. Try to do it without. So there's one clip right here, I believe, that needs to be removed. Another clip right here. A face. One clip right here, and the last one's right here. And after we get those out, we should be able to bend this back and then reach the little bracket thing here. So I was able to get under there, pop out the clips, and pop this thing out right here. I'll show you what that looks like back there, but essentially this is what came in the pack. The brakes that I got, the brake light that I got from Subimod here. This is what I'm getting ready to work with right here. So you have the bracket that's gonna go on the outer portion of this, and you put this on the passenger side and you put a screw into it, and this is the tap for the other side. So one of the sides is getting this piece on one side and this piece on the other side here, on the outside, and then you'll screw the back into the back of the light, obviously leaving this up so that the brake light cable could come to it. I'll try to show as much as I can. So briefly here, if you guys can see, that clip goes in right here on the passenger side with the point, like the protruding side sticking on the inner portion, and then the bracket, these have to go on the outer portion, and then I'm going to take a screw and then screw it into the back here, just so you guys can see. Alright, so I was able to get it in there and get the screws in there. Let me show you real quick how I was finagling it. You know, I kind of have long arms, so what I did was stuck an arm through here to be able to be, can't really see now because the light's being blocked, so can you give me light? So stuck an arm through here to be able to get the screws on. You can see where the screws are. The tap went onto the right side over there, and I had the wire coming out the top. They're not completely tightened up yet, but I think I'll tighten them now since I see it's flushed and looks good. And that's it for that. Now we have to work on getting the wire down to this spot to be able to plug in and clip in. So we'll go to the top and work there. Alright, so now that we got the bottom all situated, well, at least for now, after the clips and everything was popped out, everything is exposed. The hole that we're going to be using is through here. And we have to get to right here. Just this part right here. Hold the camera. So this new plug and play kit Sui Mods comes with everything you need. Takes all the hard work out of it all. So I'm able to get this out. So this is gonna plug in to this one right here. Just like that. Plug this back in to where you pull that out for the light. I think they probably want this part going down there. Plug one of these into here. And then I'm leaving the part with the black covering to go down to the bottom, since that's more prone to get dirty, if anything. So prone to damage through here. See this? Gotta pull this out. Maybe cut a hole in here to get with this. Alright, so I'll be back after I cut a hole in here. I'm just gonna cut a hole in this piece right here to be able to fit this down in there. So something this size to be able to make it in there, right on the side here, just to go through there. Alright, so I wanted to show you what I got. I got a knife. I had a little cross at the top and got this through here. I had to really struggle to get the black part in through, but made sure I got it through so that it'd be feeding through with it. So now just gonna feed some through, enough to get to the bottom, but not too much. I'll leave the slack up here, and then after that we'll just button up everything and then get to the testing part. So yeah, can you hold this? Should be enough. Did give us some zip ties. Might as well use them. Loose for now. Alright, so here it is, installed. So before I put the clips back on and button up everything, I'm just gonna go turn the car on and see if it highlights. So hold the camera right here. See it?
Yeah. Oh, it's nice.
Hold on.
Yeah. It's not flashing right now. It flashed when you like turned on the car. It's going with the brakes.
Solid.
Yeah, it's solid.
The brake still, let me see what it looks like.
The only time it flashed was when you like first turned the car on.
looks nice. Yeah, I like that. All right, yeah. All right, come here real quick. All right, so I think I figured out the flash. Let's see. Nice. All right, word. All right, for sure. All right, so we're just gonna button up everything. And this should be all set. If y'all got any questions, feel free to leave the comment down below. I try to answer as best as I can, but I'm sure you guys all know there's tons of videos on YouTube about it, but this is just from my perspective. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.